This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the watch and creating access to the stem. Remove the case back, and if present, the movement ring. This exposes the stem and detent screw. Once done, locate the tiny release screw or detent pin near the stem tube and clear debris with a blower. Make sure to keep screws organized and use a loop. You'll need precise vision. You're taking these first actions to avoid stressing the keyless works when you begin extracting the crown and stem assembly. You now remove the stem carefully. If it's the screw release style, back the release screw about 1/8 to 1/4 turn while holding the crown. If it's a push detent, press the tab gently with a pegwood or pin. Pull the crown and stem straight out, no angling to prevent bending. Once extracted, examine the stem tip, clutch shoulder, and winding pinion for wear or dirt. If parts are damaged, replace the stem or polish burrs. Cleaning ensures smooth reassembly, and you finish by installing the new or serviced crown and reinserting the stem. Align the stem with the sliding pinion and push it in until you feel the detent engage. If screw type, tighten the release screw carefully to lock without distortion. Once fitted, wind and cycle time setting and date functions to confirm engagement and lubrication. If something binds or settings skip, stop, remove the stem, clean the tube, inspect the keyless works for bent parts, and retry. This single troubleshooting tip saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.